All right, number 13, we want the acceleration at 2 seconds, and just to be clear, the acceleration is the slope. And the way we're going to do this is that we're actually going to take a ruler and draw a tangent line through the graph at 2 seconds, which I have done right here. And then we get the rise over the run on that graph. So check this out. We have this tangent line here. So the rise, they tell me, is 2, and the run, when I look, is 1. So the slope is going to end up being 2 meters per second squared. All right. Now for number 19, it says we're going to draw the graph showing the variation of the acceleration versus time. Once again, acceleration is the slope of the velocity graph, and I'm not going to go with a quantitative graph here. I'm going to go with the shape. So I have a slope here that is steep and positive. In the middle, it's flat, and then it's steep and negative. So when I actually draw that, this is 1, 2, and 3. So in region 1, it's steep and positive. Then it flattens in part 2. And then in part 3, it's steep and negative. And we're just going to connect that with a nice straight line, which I would probably do better if I had a ruler, but that's the idea. So this again is acceleration versus time. That's acceleration in meters per second squared versus time in seconds. So that wraps up our problems.